Welcome to Formatia. Ready to test your Russian skills and learn something new? Let's go. Question number 1. How do you say hello in Russian? The right answer is
Привет. Привет.
This is an informal way to say hello. Next question. What is the correct way to say I don't understand in Russian? The right answer is
Я не понимаю. Я не понимаю.
You can use this phrase when you're confused. Next question. How do you ask how are you in Russian? The right answer is
Как дела? Как дела?
This is an informal way to ask someone how they are. Next question. Which of these means thank you? The right answer is
Спасибо. Спасибо.
Don't forget to say it after someone helps you. Next question. How do you say yes in Russian? The right answer is
Да. Да.
a simple and useful word. Next question. How do you say goodbye in Russian? The right answer is
Пока. Пока.
Use this when saying bye to friends. Next question. What is the correct way to say my name is Anna in Russian? The right answer is
Меня зовут Анна. Меня зовут Анна.
This is the natural way to introduce yourself. Next question. What is the best way to order a pizza in Russian? The right answer is
Дайте мне, пожалуйста, пиццу. Дайте мне, пожалуйста, пиццу.
always be polite. Next question. How do you say I love you in Russian? The right answer is
Я тебя люблю. Я тебя люблю.
a very important phrase. Next question. How do you say what is your name in Russian? The right answer is
Как тебя зовут? Как тебя зовут?
very useful for first conversations. Next question. How do you say nice to meet you in Russian? The right answer is
Приятно познакомиться. Приятно познакомиться.
a polite phrase when meeting someone new. Next question. What is the capital city of Russia? The right answer is Moscow. Moscow is the capital and largest city of Russia, known for the Kremlin, Red Square, and rich history. Next question. How do you say I don't know in Russian? The right answer is
Я не знаю. Я не знаю.
say it when you're unsure. Next question. How do you say please in Russian? The right answer is
Пожалуйста. Пожалуйста.
very polite and useful. Next question. How do you say water in Russian? The right answer is
Вода. Вода.
basic but important vocabulary. Next question. How do you say good morning in Russian? The right answer is
Доброе утро. Доброе утро.
say it early in the day. Next question. How do you say excuse me in Russian? The right answer is
Извините. Извините.
use it to apologize or get someone's attention. Next question. How do you say where are you from in Russian? The right answer is
Откуда ты? Откуда ты?
a common question when meeting someone new. Next question. How do you say I'm from Atlanta in Russian? The right answer is
Я из Атланты. Я из Атланты.
use this construction to tell someone where you're from. Final question. How do you say good night in Russian? The right answer is
Спокойной ночи. Спокойной ночи.
a phrase to end your day. You did it. Well done. Russian isn't easy, but look at you go. I really appreciate you spending time thinking through the questions. You're doing great, and every step you take brings you closer to mastering language. Big high five for giving your brain a fun workout today. If you had fun, or even if you just survived, hit that like button, drop a comment, I'd love to hear how it went, and don't forget to subscribe for more language fun. Thanks so much for taking this quiz. Keep going, stay curious, and see you next time.